Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix photo access private on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Check app specific photo settings. Go to settings, privacy and security, photos. Tap on the app you want to grant access to. Select limited access to choose specific photos or full access to allow access to your entire library. Adjust content and privacy restrictions. Go to settings, screen time. If screen time is on, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Photos and ensure it is set to allow changes. If the issue persists, try restarting your iPhone or, as a last resort, resetting your location and privacy settings. That is everything you know about how to fix photo access private on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.